Beautiful view. You can see behind. We're in the middle of nowhere. It's absolutely amazing. The water is so warm as well. I'm gonna hop back on the motorbike now. We're gonna go back to Pattaya. Take the ferry again. Time to get a haircut, guys. My hair is way too long. There we go. Back at the bike. Feels nice. That's life. Alright guys, I think I found a barber. Let's see. There you go. Let's see if they'd like to cut my hair. Hi, can I get my haircut? No?
I alone.
Oh, you're alone? Oh, is there another one here?
Yes,
Here? Okay, thank you. Alright. This one was too busy apparently. We're gonna find another one. Let's go. Hi, so can I get my haircut?
Yes.
Yeah? How much is it?
150.
150? Okay, thank you. Haircut time. Just like shorter?
Yeah.
Like this? Yeah. Maybe a tiny bit longer than this?
Okay.
A tiny bit,
A
yeah.
little bit longer.
Yeah, thank you. No, it's okay, it's okay. You can go hard, you can go hard.
Yeah.
I deserve it. Nice.
Feel good, yeah?
Yeah. Thank you. It's amazing. Good haircut. Thank you so much. You did a great job. Thank you.
Thank you.
Kapan Kap.
Thank you.
See you.
Bye-bye.
See you guys.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, fresh cut. Oh, that feels nice. That haircut cost me exactly 150 baht, which is around $4 US. So it's definitely the cheapest haircut I've ever got. And it's actually pretty good. She did a very nice job. Very short, it's nice. Feels less warm. Oh, it's gonna feel good. Thank you guys a lot for tagging along today. It's been an adventure. See you guys.